Let's learn how to do color grading in Premiere Pro. Select the clip, then go to the Window menu and click on Essential Graphics. In the panel, go to Basic Correction. Now, adjust the necessary values. Exposure. Adjust to clear the image. Contrast. Adjust for the difference in color and lighting between different parts of the image or scene. Highlights. Adjust the bright areas of the image. Shadows. Adjust the intensity of shadows using the shadow curve. Whites. Adjust to remove unrealistic color casts and help objects appear white. Blacks. Adjust to make black areas true black. You can see the before and after images to observe the changes. That's it.